and. One more time, and. The and then, D sound the and then. CE sound s. Dance. One more time, the and then. CE sound s. Dance. Hi guys, today we're gonna vowel A. A sound One more time, A sound n. And one more time, n. And word family. One more time, and word family. N and t and. One more time, n and t and. T sound t. N and t and. This is a picture of ant, guys. The ant is happy. The ant is color red. One more time, n and t ant. N and. One more time, n and. The and then. D sound the and then. CE sound s. Dance. One more time, the and then. CE sound s. Dance. This is a good dancing. Do you see it? One more time. This sound the and then dance. So dance. Next one. F. F sound f. For and fan. One more time. N and. F sound f. For and fan. This is a picture of fan, guys. The fan is color pink. One more time. F. F sound f. For and Fanta. Fan. N and. One more time, n and. P sound p. L sound l. Pl and plant. Plant plant. One more time, pl and plant. Plant. One more time, pl and plant. Plant. This is a picture of plant, guys. Plant includes flower or trees. One more time, pl and plant. N and. S sound s. T sound t. The and stand. One more time. The and stand. This is a good standing. Do you see it? One more time. The and stand. Next one. N and. One more time. N and. H sound h. Her and hand. One more time. H sound h. Her and hand. This is your hand, guys. This is a picture of hand, guys. One more time. H sound h. Her and hand. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this video. But don't forget to subscribe channel and click the bell button. Next time you will learn with my sister Resa. M. One more time. M. Bye guys.